Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Clinton Painter back with another video. In today's video, I'm sure you have seen already by the title and thumbnail that we are going to be showing you guys how to do the speed glitch in Grand Theft Auto 5 online. Before we get into the video, I just want to keep this intro sweet and short because I know you guys want to get to the business. But yes, for all the returning viewers, welcome. I'm your boy Clinton Fancy. Here we post a little bit of everything from gaming to Stan's videos in real life and Stan's videos on Grand Theft Auto, as well as Forza Horizon. So basically in general comments. And yes, so if you're new, drop a like, comment and subscribe. Comment what you want to see in the future on this YouTube channel. And yes, hope you enjoy the content. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So here we have the OB9F, and it's one of the oldest cars and as well as the slowest cars in the game. Here we have the Nero Custom from Benny's Garage, which is quite fast. Not exactly sure how fast, but it's fast. While we wait for our other contestants.
10 years later.
Over here we have the Buffalo STX, which is one of the newest cars in the game and does actually go quite fast. It's probably one of the fastest cars in the game at this point in time. But let's get into the video itself. Actually, enough about these cars. Let me just pull up this, close my doors in my car so we can actually get into action. So one of my friends here that's helping me is going to shoot the flare up. Obviously you guys should know that once the flare drops, that's when we get down to business. So we are obviously going to do a few test hits so you guys can see how fast the cars actually are. Mine's obviously not that fast, that's why I'm using it. So yeah, you can see the Nero Custom is obviously in front of me, and there goes the Buffalo STX with some speed, overtakes the Nero Custom of course because it is fast. Yes, so guys, clearly from the first hit you can see that my car that I'm using, the OB9F, is slow as no one's business. So yes, just gonna do I think about 2 more hits just so you guys can see. But enough about me. Obviously I'll just show you guys. So obviously you guys can see that I jumped. I wasn't supposed to. I slowed down for my friends, but then obviously I do have a slow car, so why should I slow down? So I carried on going. And just look over there, the Buffalo STX still overtook me. Obviously my friend in the Nero Custom didn't exactly fight me because he thought he was a smart guy like Albert Einstein. So yeah, that's his own problem. But now my friends are actually going to give me a head start, and then Buffalo STX is obviously going a little bit back because he's obviously the fastest. Don't know why my guy thinks he's so fast, but yeah, let him just have his period for once. For now. Yes, so here I go with the head start. Good pull away. Yeah, the Nero Custom is right beside me, or beside me. But yeah, there goes the Buffalo STX in front of us. Wow, so amazing. I did not expect that. Low key again. Actually not even low key. But now is where the real business is gonna happen. So basically what you wanna do is pop your front tires. So shoot them, let them deflate. See there? they deflated. Shoot your tires, both front tires. Get in your car. You can obviously get in so fancy like me. Hashtag 007 vibes. Pop them. Make sure you hear them scrape on the car. That's when you know how business is gonna go down. Obviously your car is not gonna be able to turn, so don't be that shocked. It's gonna turns very hard. So don't be shocked if it doesn't turn. So basically what you're gonna wanna do, you're gonna wanna launch normal, obviously handbrake and accelerator. But as you launch, put your brake or reverse, however you reverse, hold it, let go and hold it in again. So basically tap and hold. And that's when you know you're gonna get the business. As you can see, there's a major difference. You know when people don't know how to drive. But yeah, you guys get the gist. I'll put a video in the next after this race showing you how I do it on my controller for those of you that don't understand how I'm explaining it. But yes, you can see how the slowest car in the game easily becomes one of the fastest cars in the game. So here is another hit since my friend did me a dirty. And yeah, I'll just, here we go again. So you launch like this, tap and hold. You launch like this, tap and hold. Just to show you guys that this is a working glitch. It still works. It's a glitch that they'll never touch. Wow, nice really bro. Can you keep up? So the slowest car obviously becomes the fastest. Oh yeah, and price is in a real issue. Don't be surprised. So here am I giving my friend a hit because now the other guy in the narrow custom obviously lost connection. But yes, still doesn't matter because the Buffalo FCX is fast. So there I gave my friend a head start. Just watch how I catch him with the speed glitch. Bye bye.